There are four fundamental forces of the universe that govern all interactions: the strong nuclear force, the weak nuclear force, electromagnetism, and gravity. Each of the four forces is responsible for seemingly distinct interactions. The strong force is responsible for binding together elementary particles such as quarks to create neutrons and protons, and acts as the glue between neutrons and protons to form the nuclei of atoms. The weak force is responsible for radioactive decay in the forms of alpha decay, where the nucleus of an atom ejects two protons and two neutrons, beta decay, where the nucleus of an atom emits an electron, and gamma decay, where the nucleus of an atom emits a gamma ray. Electromagnetism is responsible for all chemical processes, like the attraction between nuclei and their orbital electrons, and the chemical bonds between atoms that create molecules. Gravity is the most mysterious out of the four fundamental forces. It is unique from the other forces in that it acts on all particles that have mass, energy, and/or momentum, cannot be absorbed, transformed, or shielded against, always attracts, and has an infinite range. Our current understanding of gravity comes from Einstein's general theory of relativity, which has been proven on everything except the smallest scales, which points to the fact that relativity is at least somewhat wrong or incomplete. These four forces have governed physics for decades. However, in 2016, a team of Hungarian researchers claimed to have discovered a new particle, dubbed X17, that demands that a new fifth fundamental force exists. In trying to find evidence for dark matter, the team shot protons into sheets of lithium, which then decayed into beryllium, which then decayed into electrons, and their antimatter counterpart, positrons. During this decay, excess energy was detected that indicated that part of the beryllium might eject that excess energy in the form of an undiscovered particle. While the existence of a fifth force is purely speculative, the implications of a fifth force could help to explain the mysterious dark matter and dark energy that has eluded researchers for decades and purportedly makes up 96% of the universe. Increasing our understanding of the fundamental forces of the universe, and hopefully eventually combining all forces into a single unified theory of everything, would allow us to discover the true nature of the universe.